Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another amazing recipe. Today is the turn of mejillones a la marinera or mussels marinara style. And this is, as usual, very simple, easy and fast to cook. Okay, so the way that we start is a bit of oil in a pot. Turn on the heat and let the oil heat up, and once that the oil is hot we're going to add the onions. And we will let fry for a couple of minutes. Then we will add the chopped tomatoes. Now I will add the flour. I'll mix. I will add the wine. And a bit of water. Let's add a bit more. And I will let it cook for about 5 minutes or so. Right, so while the sauce is cooking, I'm going to crush the garlic into a mortar and pestle, add some parsley to the mix, and I'll add a touch of salt. I don't have pink salt, unfortunately. Today I only have white salt, and we're going to mash. You see, it's all in there. We're gonna mash it, and we'll loosen it a bit with a bit of water, just a little bit, to loosen it a bit from the bottom. So I believe now the sauce is quite ready. I'm going to remove it off the heat. And what I'm going to do, because it's got lots of tomato bits around, I like to make this kind of sauces smoother. So I'm going to blend it with the blender. You can leave it as it is. I like to blend it. So blender. So I think this is quite fine to do. And what we're going to do now, we're gonna get the crushed garlic and we're gonna pour it into the sauce. And we're going to mix it, our mussels that I have cleaned thoroughly. I have removed all the barbas, all the beards. If you don't know how to do it, I've shown you how to do it on my steamed mussels video, so you can go there and watch it. I think I put a tad too much water, but hey, we turn on the heat again, put it medium high heat, we cover it, and as with all the mussels, once that they are all open, the dish is ready. So it will be about 5-6 minutes, something like that, to see. Right, so it's been 6-7 minutes, and look at this. Oh, that's heavenly. Let me just turn off the heat. Very nice. Look at them, they are all open. What we're going to do, we're going to serve them up, and you will see how lovely this is. I haven't had them in years, so this is gonna be so nice. Okay, so here we have a plate and a spoon, and we're going to, ooh, so nice. Look, oh, this is lovely. No, I didn't put too much water. No, I didn't put too much flour. It's just perfect. It looks like much, but it's not. Look at that sauce. Look at that. It smells so nice. No, you want all this sauce. And I don't think it's got little garlic. It's just perfect. My mom was very good at cooking. She was amazing. That's so nice. You know what? I'm going to have a try because I haven't had them for so long. Let me have this little one. Look with all that sauce in there. Yum yum. Oh, this is so nice. The tomato sauce and the slight flavor of the garlic comes up behind it, and the touch of the white wine. This is nice. Nice. Let me have another one. Don't miss the juices. Oh, juices are amazing. Yes, do try it. It's very good. No, it's amazing. It's not very good, it's amazing. I'm going to eat the whole thing. So here is, my friends, mejillones a la marinera, mussels marinara style. Serve them with crusty country bread on the side, dip in that marvelous sauce. It's going to be amazing. I haven't had it in years, as I said, and I'm just looking forward to have this. This will be our starter for tonight, for dinner, and we are going to enjoy this very much. I hope you do try this dish. It is lovely. I hope you share it with your friends and family if you do like it, and I hope that we'll build more memories for you and your family and your friends and everyone around you. If you like this dish, as usual, give us a like, subscribe if you want to know, to be notified of more new dishes every time they come out. Just press the little bell. It will tell you when new recipes are out. And share in Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and most important of all, as I say, enjoy it, eat it. It will be really nice. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!